Hello, today we will be learning about area safety for working on and around the Burr Oak Tube Bender. The Burr Oak Tube Bender is a large manufacturing machine that pulls and straightens a certain length of metal copper tubing, then bends it into a hairpin shape to be used later in the production of heating cores, evaporators, and condensers. Since the tube bender has many moving parts when in operation, an operator who is not paying proper attention to the safety risks in the area can be easily injured. There are three main safety risks you must always be cautious of when operating the Burr Oak tube bender. You can have your hands crushed by the moving parts of the machine. Your hearing can be damaged over a 10-hour period by the noise the machine makes, and broken pieces of metal can be ejected from the machine and injure your eyes. In addition to the three main safety risks to your body, the tube bender uses a lot of oil when creating parts. This oil can drip onto the floor, and the floor will become slippery and create a potentially hazardous work area. Now that you know the safety risks involved with the tube bender, here are the countermeasures Red Dot employs to reduce or eliminate those risks. To avoid your hands being cut or crushed, always be aware of all parts of the machine when operating, making sure the machine is turned off before making any adjustments on any individual parts. Keep your hands away from the feed belts during operation, and only operate the machine when the guards are placed properly, making sure to keep all your body parts out of the machine when it is operating. Wear hearing protection at all times when in the area. Red Dot provides three types of hearing protection as required by law. These are foam earplugs, plastic earplugs, and over-the-ear ear muffs. All three types provide adequate protection for the noise levels inside all areas at Red Dot. Foam earplugs can be found in every area. If you prefer plastic or latex earplugs or ear muffs, you can request these from your supervisor or lead. And always remember to wear eye protection whenever you are working in the area. If you need protective glasses, ask your supervisor or lead to assist you. Also, clean up any oil spills as they occur with an absorbent cloth and dispose of any hazardous material into the proper waste receptacle. If a lot of oil drips onto the floor, follow the normal spill control procedure for hazardous materials as posted in the area. If you are unsure where any of these materials are, ask your supervisor or lead for help. Before we're done, let's go over some evaluation criteria for the safety risks and countermeasures of operating the Burr Oak tube bender. Correctly identify the area's safety hazards. These hazards include hands getting crushed or cut by the machine, hearing damage due to machine noise, metal pieces being ejected from the machine, and oil spills in the area. Follow the proper safety guidelines for working in the area. These include keeping all body parts out of the machine when operating, only operate the machine with the guards in place, and only perform maintenance on the machine when it is turned off. Use hearing and eye protection when in the area, and know how to clean up an oil spill. That's all you need to know about safety when operating the Burr Oak tube bender. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your supervisor or coworkers for guidance, and thank you for your contribution toward making Red Dot a better company.